What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Rich Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mama and them, because we lit over cheer. Without further ado, yeah, y'all not gonna see me today because I'm looking scroggly and ugly right now. But I do have, I believe, 3 packages I'm going to be opening today. So let's get into it. Don't know which is which, because y'all know I love me a good old DH and a good old Express and Temu. So I don't know. I'm gonna be throwing away stuff as I go. Y'all know that's how we get it over here. So what is this? This is jewelry. Oh, okay. Y'all know I'm still stuck in the 90s and the 80s era. Y'all, why they messed around and bought me a gold nugget ring for my pinky? Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a gold nugget ring. I know I'm still nursing my finger to health. Is it gonna... yeah, it ain't gonna do what it do. Or is it? It's a gold nugget ring, y'all. Thought that was cute. Let me see. Is this? What's this? Is this a? Oh no, it's just nothing. I thought it was like maybe a cloth you clean it off with or something. And it's supposed to be stainless steel, because y'all know I wear my stainless steel jewelry, like my bracelets and stuff. Y'all see this all the time when I'm doing the videos. This is T. Y'all know my name is Ty. That's my nickname. That's what everybody call me, or Tay, or my mama call me Tootie. And then this is a Minnie Mouse bracelet. And then my bracelet, this is my medical bracelet. It got my medical information on the other side. So y'all, all stainless steel, haven't turned. I shower in them, wash dishes in them, sweat in them. So I'm telling y'all, when it says stainless steel, titanium steel, y'all better jump on the train, okay? Okay. Y'all see, we got Temu up in this piece. Let's see what's up in here. It's a small package today. Let's see. So yeah, y'all, these are purse extenders. Go on Temu. Yeah, you know, we still got Amazon, and we haven't forgot about little Amazon, but sometimes Amazon could be a little ridiculous. Y'all, if you need purse extenders, cute ones, they even sell the ones that you would see on Amazon. Y'all, I want to say these were under $5 for 4. Go try to buy these on Amazon. They're going to be about like $12, $15, if not more. So it's like purse extenders in the color gold, because y'all know I love gold. And most of my purses that I have gold hardware. So yeah, y'all, go on there for your purse extenders for the cheap. What else we got in here? I had got this bracelet. Y'all know I love hearts. The backstory behind that is because my dad, he's the man that got me my first piece of jewelry. Yeah, he got me a heart ring. I fell in love with that heart ring. He got me a personalized necklace, which I end up losing in a fight in elementary school. Could never find it. But I ended up finding like something similar to it. But yeah, so it's like I fell in love with the heart ring. I still got the heart ring to this day. And it's just, I love hearts. So I got this from Temu. It's supposed to be stainless steel, and it's just like a heart. It's giving like a little tennis bracelet vibe. It looked like it's gonna fit if I put it all the way at the end, and then I'll probably cut off the access little chain, because I don't want that just hanging. But yeah, it's cute, if y'all can see that. Yeah, so when I looked that up, I just typed in heart bracelet, and then I always look at the type of material. It'll either say like ollie or zinc or copper or stainless steel. I try to always make sure it's stainless steel, even though sometimes stuff can say it's stainless steel and it can still tarnish, but you know, that's neither here nor there. But yeah, I always look for titanium steel or stainless steel. And then I purchased this medicine, this pill container, y'all, because my old pill container is raggedy. My pills be falling out and stuff. I'm on a lot of medication, y'all, because y'all know I have MS and I'm also a diabetic. And yeah, so I take morning and afternoon meds for my MS and my diabetes. So yeah, because the other one I had is just a single one, so I was doubling up pills, and I gotta make sure I'm doing this and not taking that. So it's just extra brain power that I don't need to use. So I got me an AM and a PM medicine container. What's this? And then I got me an ankle bracelet, and it said like ankle bracelets for plus size. Cause y'all know I got fat legs. I got chunky ankles, ankles, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. So yeah, and I don't know. This might fit. Yeah, this might fit. Yeah. Gotta put on my good leg, and I'm a swollen leg. And I'm so serious. I got a swollen leg. Y'all stay swollen 24/7. Cause I had 2 knee surgeries. That thing stays swollen. So, yeah, that's cute. You know, something just to wear when I be having my Crocs on and stuff. You know, a little accessory to the cankle. And then y'all bought this because I really needed this. For some reason, y'all, is it just me or do spoons, forks, utensils, all the cutlery and kitchen use stuff just go missing, y'all, or stop working or whatever? So I had to buy a new can opener. I don't know. I like the old-fashioned can openers where you just like turn it like this and stuff. So this was the cheapest one. I thought it was cute, and I said, I'll take it. Let's see what's in here. Ugh. Okay, y'all. So my mom, Mama Rare, she be rating my perfume. And she had a lot of these perfume little travel things, and a few of hers didn't work, so I seen these for the cheap, and I was just like, I'm gonna replace hers. It didn't even, keep me 1 or 2, in case I don't, because when I carry my perfumes with me, there's something small, like a small bottle. I'm not carrying no big bottle, but these are cute to, travel along. So you put the perfume at the bottom. I'll have to show y'all in the video how I do it, but yeah, you put the perfume in there and you just carry it along with you. So this is very small, very smaller than having to carry a big bottle. And you get, let me see, what is that? What's that, 10? And I think that was like, for $8 you got 10. And then this, y'all, is a smaller pill bottle. So like, say if I'm out through the day and I know I'm not going to make it home in time, usually I just take my evening meds and wrap them up in a paper towel or tissue and put it in my purse. So this is just something to have to keep my meds, that if I'm not gonna make it home, just put it, in this. And then there's a gnat in here, y'all. These gnats, child, I just want to get rid of them. Every time I come in the door, I'm trying to be on some special agent type of Cody Banks type stuff, and they just be like coming in the door, and it's just one ant, and it just won't go. So yeah, anybody else having that issues? Because they getting on my nerves. This is for my planner. I decided to buy another planner. Shout out to Cena. She put your girl on when I get my planner. Y'all, I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna just have to show y'all. But Cena girl, you got me up here looking at planners. I ain't even need one. But yeah, y'all, this is for my new planner. So I thought this was cute. What did I get? A A6. Yeah, A6 planner. Something I could just carry. So yeah, y'all. Future video. Let me see, is this it? And then this, y'all, cause my ears, like, they stay like with dry skin, and it feel like something be like in my ear, cause the dry skin be falling. I could feel it fall, and oh my goodness, it's just, I be going through it, y'all. So I got these little ear little scoopers and stuff to keep in my purse. Cause y'all, when I be trying to use my nail don't be doing it. It don't be getting up in there. You gotta go to work on these ears. So I got these little portable ear little scooper things when my ear be itching or whatever the case may be. The wax build up when I'm out. Keep this in my purse. Most definitely. And also, y'all, definitely go on Temu for like cheap purse straps. I got this on there. Oh, I thought this was gold. It's okay. Yeah, I got this on there because I needed a brown purse strap, but I thought I was getting like with the gold, but this is silver. And I know lately the packaging been kind of off. It hasn't been packaging, so I know I picked gold, and they probably just gave me what they wanted to give me, but that's neither here nor there. And what else? This is the last thing. Oh, okay, so y'all have seen this little bag on Temu, but when I went to go get it, it sold out, and I had it on Notify Me, and it seemed like it took forever, so I ended up taking a picture of it, found it on Ali, and then, yeah, I found it cheaper on there and purchased it, y'all. I thought this was so cute. And it's basically in reference to, I think, what is it, SpongeBob? Because, y'all, when I was growing up, me and my brother, we watched Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon. Yeah, we were Cartoon Network and Nickelodeon kids. Or PBS kids. But, y'all, we love some SpongeBob. And I believe the Krusty Krab had the kitty meal. It's kind of like their version of the McDonald's kids meal or Happy Meal. And y'all, look at this. It's so cute. Even the top part looked like a Happy Meal where you would like hold it and stuff. And it's just a cute like little bag. Y'all probably like, this is so childish, but it's cute. Like, it's so cute. It even come with a little. This is so cute. And I thought it was going to be huge because in the picture it made it look like it was luggage. But it definitely was not that big. So yeah, y'all, this is just so cute. This is the side. So yeah, y'all, I had to get that. So this is my little my little unboxing, little situation, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So hey, y'all, I wanted to come back here and show y'all how this works. So I just put a little bit in here just to make sure this works. Sometimes these can be defective no matter where you order them from. So basically I'm taking right here, okay, make sure it's recording, my teakwood, and you take the travel perfume. You take the top of your perfume off right there. You got to make sure that it fits right here because you're going to put them together. Make sure they're, what word am I looking for? Parallel. And make sure it fits in there because some of the top of the perfumes might not fit. So you're just going to do this. And then you're just going to pump it up. And as you can see, you see the juice in there. And you just fill it all the way up. Okay, I put too much in here. But yeah, you fill it up. And it'll let you know when it's full. And there you go. So I can carry this in my purse. You don't got to worry about it leaking out or anything like that. The little thing that's a stopper. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all. So see you next time. Bye.